Since we're covering PHP 7.4, it's worth learning how to test it. If you want to work along with this course and test the new features, the fastest way to do it is using an online PHP processor like the one at sandbox.onlinephpfunctions.com. I would just caution against putting any personally identifiable or private information in that website. If you have your own development environment, you'll want to upgrade it. The best resource for installing and upgrading is by going to the php.net website. If you go to php.net/manual/en/install.php, you'll find the latest information about how to go about installing on a number of different platforms, including Mac, Windows, and Linux. If you're on a Mac, there are three main ways that you could upgrade. One is the excellent package manager that's maintained by a company called Lip. They provide a simple installer that gets everything set up for you, and if you already have an existing installation, the Lip package manager will just replace it. The second is Homebrew. If you're comfortable using Homebrew, you can upgrade it there by doing brew update and then brew upgrade PHP. In both of these instances, you'll need to make sure your local environment is pointing to the right version of PHP. And the third is MAMP, but there's a caveat here. MAMP is an all-in-one package for Macintosh that includes Apache, MySQL, and PHP. And it used to be the case that on the free version, you could download the version of PHP that you wanted from the MAMP website and install it. But that since has changed. Now you need to upgrade to MAMP Pro to have finer control over the PHP version. On Windows, you're likely using WAMP or XAMPP. When looking at the downloads for either one of those tools, look for the package that includes PHP 7.4. If you already have a development server, as in not a live site, you can talk to your host about upgrading to PHP 7.4 there. One final method for testing locally is using a PHP Integrated Development Environment, or IDE. I'll be using PHP Storm throughout this course.